Bullish OMG organization cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $6.27 and $11.85 by 2030. Market experts accept OMG could reach $4.88 by 2025. Bearish OMG organization market cost expectation for 2023 is $1.11. OMG organization presentation. The OMG organization is a decentralized installment network that utilizes a sidechain engineering to bunch a few exchanges off-chain into a clump, which can then be checked as a solitary exchange on the Ethereum root chain. As per OMG organization, this innovation can possibly scale Ethereum to huge number of exchanges each second, rather than the 10 to 14 TPS Ethereum 1.0 is right now able to do. The organization depends on a clever scaling arrangement called More Viable Plasma, created by Omisco, an auxiliary of Omise. What is OMG organization? OMG organization is a non-custodial, Layer 2 scaling arrangement worked for the Ethereum blockchain. It is intended to permit clients to move ETH and ERC20 tokens altogether quicker and less expensive than while executing straightforwardly on the Ethereum organization. The OMG network is decentralized and empowers quick, minimal expense exchanges in any resource. The local badge of the OMG organization is classified OMG. OMG tokens are utilized to pay exchange expenses on the OMG organization. Later on, OMG tokens will likewise be stackable, and that implies that holders of the tokens can procure awards for assisting with getting the organization. OMG organization was previously known as Omisco. It was established in 2017 by Jun Hasegawa and Donnie Harinsat. The organization is situated in Bangkok, Thailand. In 2018, it was gained by Omise, a main Southeast Asian installments organization. OMG value history. The OMG token was first recorded on digital money trades in July 2017, and its cost immediately rose to a pinnacle of $12.51 on September 7, 2017. Nonetheless, the cost then, at that point, encountered a rectification, arriving at a nearby low of $5.52 toward the beginning of November. Following this, during the crypto market's bull run in November-December 2017, the cost of OMG took off to its untouched high of $32.29 on the 8th of January 2018. From that point forward, the cost of OMG has varied moderately consistently between roughly $1 and $4. On the 15th of February 2018, Omise reported that it had cooperated with Shinhan Bank, one of South Korea's biggest banks, to send off an experimental run program testing blockchain innovation for cross-line cash moves. This news started restored revenue in the OMG token and brought about a critical cost increment throughout the next days. Omisco is intended to empower continuous, shared esteem trade and installment administrations across purviews and authoritative storehouses in both government-issued currency and decentralized monetary forms. OMG specialized investigation. The generally negative pattern that started in November 2021 has additionally been affirmed by the 5100th EMAS going about as a unique obstruction. This is a specialized pointer that shows long-haul financial backer feeling. OMG will probably keep on declining in the next few long stretches of time. Longer-term financial backers might need to consider averaging down their situation or hanging tight for a more huge plunge prior to repurchasing it. The new cost activity gives us trust that the bear market is either at an end or, at any rate, a break from serious areas of strength for the pattern. In the H4 time span, the cost hit a help level, making a rising channel. This could demonstrate an inversion in pattern, or in any event, a time of combination before the following move. Moreover, on the everyday time span, we can see that cost has additionally tracked down help and has started to frame an upset head and shoulders design. On the off chance that this example works out true to form, it could flag a move back up to ATHs. Subsequently, while there are still a few worries in the market generally, signs recommend that Ethereum might be prepared to in practically no time stage a recuperation. For those keen on money management, watching out for these advancements will be pivotal in coming to informed conclusions about when to trade ETH tokens. The market is without a doubt looking bullish right now, with the cost reliably making better upsides and worse low points inside the bounds of a clear-cut cost channel. OMG organization current cost. OMG organization is at present worth $1.39 USD. OMG has moved 2.80% as of now with an exchanging volume of $26,722,856. OMG organization is at present positioned 141 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $195,452,327 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for OMG organization to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant OMG organization market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. OMG Organization Value Expectation 2023. OMG Organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The OMG cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $2.09. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1.95 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts in headway. OMG is supposed to have a base worth of $1.67. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, OMG Organization OMG cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of OMG will before long outperform $3.48. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the OMG's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, OMG will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2.79 and a typical exchanging cost of $3.07. OMG Organization Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $4.88 and OMG might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. OMG is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $4.46 and a low of $4.18 in 2025. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2026. Assuming that OMG Organization effectively supports market opinion among digital currency fans, the OMG coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, OMG will be green in 2026. The OMG is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $6.27, with a base cost of $5.57 and a typical cost of $5.85. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the OMG cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $7.25 by 2027, with a base cost of $6.97 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, OMG has a most extreme value worth of $7.67. OMG Organization Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $8.64. In the event that OMG figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $9.06, neglecting to assemble the